Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about how you can update Windows security. So let's get started. So Windows security is the primary antivirus that comes pre-installed in Windows 11 operating system, and it's always free of cost. You do not have to pay for it. In order to keep your system safe and secure, the only condition is that you keep updating the Windows security regularly. And there are different methods you can use to update Windows security. Let's start with method 1. In this case, you have to simply right click on the start button and select settings. When the settings app opens, go to Windows Update and here click on check for updates. As soon as you hit this button, Windows will start checking for updates, and if there are any security updates available for your Windows security app, they will be automatically downloaded and installed. If you later want to check whether the updates were installed for Windows security, you can simply go to update history and then here expand definition updates. When you expand definition updates, if you have installed Windows Defender updates manually and regularly, they will be shown here. Then we have method 2. Simply click on the Windows Defender or Windows Security icon present on the taskbar. Once Windows Security opens, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you found Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Here you have to click on Protection Updates. Now in the Protection Updates page, you can see that it mentions the Security Intelligence version and also the last update time. You can simply click on Check for Updates. It will automatically check for updates and install them. You can see that the last update timestamp is now refreshed. This means the latest update was installed, and we also have here update successful. Then we have method 3. Click on the search icon present on the taskbar and in the search type command prompt. From search results, select command prompt and then click run as administrator. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the command prompt window, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This command will basically update Microsoft Defender antivirus or the Windows security app. Just make sure that your system remains connected to the internet while performing this operation. And since I already installed the latest Windows security update, it said no updates needed. But if you do not have installed the latest Windows Defender updates yet, it would be definitely downloading the latest updates. And lastly, we have method 4. In this case, you can manually update the security intelligence version of Microsoft Defender or Windows Security app. Simply open your favorite web browser and paste this link from the video description and press the enter key. Now this will take you to the security intelligence updates for Microsoft Defender antivirus and other Microsoft anti-malware page. Here we have the heading manually download the update. Here it mentions the latest security intelligence update version, engine version, and other details. Scroll down and find Microsoft Defender antivirus for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1 and Windows Server. And here the link for different versions are available, and those are 32-bit, 64-bit and ARM versions. So you can simply download the update file using this link, simply install the update, and that would finally upgrade your security intelligence version on Windows Security app. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.